I'm doing this slime. It has red and green and like this sparkly color one. And I'm just gonna mix it up now, and then you'll figure out what it looks like. That looks so pretty. This is what it looks like after I mixed it. I need you to show. Well, this is what it looks like after I mixed it. It's kind of a weird color, but it's pretty enough, I guess. So next we're going to be adding baking soda.
And here's my slime.
I'm going to add a little more
And here's
than enough. And then we're going to add some of the contact lens stuff. It's gonna... Oh, I have to add it after. Whoops. I messed up. Hold on. I have to mix this first. Let's mix this up first. This might not turn out to be slime. It looks like poop. Now I'll be adding contact lens.
My bedroom is a mess. I'm not showing you all.
I'm mixing it. Oh, yep, it's becoming slime. I just needed to add the contact lens.
There. You only get a sneak peek.
And I'm going to put some more baking soda.
Blah. And that. And now we are.
Like,
Don't do much. I know that's how much I'm supposed to have.
And then I'll mix this up. Mix. Ooh, that kind of looks ugly. At the beginning it looked pretty, but now it's like kind of a ugly color. You want to show them it's an ugly color? Maybe I shouldn't have added those types of paint together.
I dropped mine.
This is what it looks like now. Like it's an ugly color.
Struggles when you drop your slime. You have to hold the phone with your legs.
Let's add baking soda again. I'm just building it into like slime. It needs to be perfect. Oh yeah, more boxes and stuff.
Yeah, but she said don't use too much.
So now I'll be adding contact lens stuff. It's sticky.
Can I feel it? Look, can I feel it?
No.
Mom, feel it?
It's because she's doing the video. This is like...
I'm doing the video too.
Ooh.
I'm doing the video
It's not
too.
that sticky.
Brooklyn,
Don't.
I can get it.
I know.
Look, I hate them.
Ugh.
I'm doing a video too.
Well, I'm going to be adding more of this. Oh, I did it wrong. Whoops.
Alright, what are you wearing tomorrow? Because you're going to be...
Yeah, that. That way I was downstairs.
Oh! Wait a minute. You have...
Hands.
Which would look really cute with either
Oh,
vest.
goodness. No.
What the hell was that, Mariah?
What?
Look out the window.
Sorry about that. We're just trying to look out the window because it was something that our grandma didn't know what.
Okay, now he can talk. Your phone is like more.
Okay, so I'm mixing this. Some more baking soda. Like it's building it.
Punch you. We're just doing the same video.
Okay, so I'm going to start using my hands now. Hopefully my hands don't turn a color. Like, I'm mixing it pretty fast. See? It's an ugly type killer. Let's add some more.
At least my
Like,
color's pretty.
collect it. So sorry.
Just-
Next, we're gonna be like doing a red and then a green one by
If you go
themselves.
to Gaia and you're in second or third or fourth, then yeah, I am going to be one of the two.
Okay, I'm gonna add a little more of this, like just like a squirt. Like just use it and do it in my hands. Like you don't need to put it that close to people's face. See, it's an ugly color, but we'll still keep it because they're fun to play with.
Right, let me feel.
Ooh. Okay, so we're almost done. Just like need a little. Okay. Got too much right here. Okay, so we're done with this one, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye.